Hello friends, welcome back to Quick Clear, or if you're new here, welcome to the family. VLC is renowned for being a versatile and powerful media player, but did you know it hides a fantastic feature for screen recording? Yes, you heard it right. Today, I'll guide you through the steps on how to unlock this hidden gem in VLC and use it to capture your computer screen effortlessly. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and explore the world of screen recording with VLC Media Player. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Step 1. Find and save a mouse pointer image. Open your web browser and search for a mouse pointer image on Google. Choose an image that suits your preferences and download it to your computer. In this tutorial, I've chosen this specific mouse pointer image. Feel free to use the same image or find one that you prefer. And download the chosen image to your computer. Step 2. Resize the mouse pointer image. Navigate to an online image resizing tool. For this tutorial, I used Lunapic, an online photo editor. Upload the downloaded mouse pointer image to Lunapic. Use the resizing options in Lunapic to adjust the dimensions. For this demonstration, I resized the image to a suitable size of 50 pixels. You don't want it too big or too small? Aim for a size that is clearly visible but not distracting. Then, download the resized mouse pointer image to your desktop. Step 4. Introduce the mouse pointer to VLC Player. Open VLC Media Player on your computer. Navigate to the Tools menu. Select Preferences from the drop-down. In the Preferences window, at the bottom left corner, click on Show Settings and choose All to access advanced settings. Click on Access Modules under Input Codecs in the left sidebar. Choose Screen from the options. Under Screen, find Mouse Pointer Image. Click Browse to locate and select the resized mouse pointer image saved on your desktop. Confirm your selection by clicking Save to apply the changes. Step 5. Set up VLC for screen recording. Open VLC Media Player on your computer. Navigate to the Media menu and select Open Capture Device. Choose Desktop as the capture mode and configure other settings according to your preferences. Follow these tutorial to use my settings. Now, let's capture our computer screen and witness the outcome. By following these straightforward steps, experiment with different mouse pointer images and sizes to find what works best for your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy recording, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates.